63743. The authority of the department as to lighting devices. Department is Department of Public Safety. 1. The department is hereby authorized to approve or disapprove lighting devices and to issue and enforce regulations establishing standards and specifications for the approval of such lighting devices, their installation, aiming, and readjustment. Such regulations shall correlate with and, so far as practicable, conform to the then current standards and specifications to the Society of Automotive Engineers applicable to each equipment. 2. The department is hereby required to approve or disapprove any lighting devices or a type on which approval is specifically required in this chapter within a reasonable time after such device has been submitted. 3. The department is further authorized to set up the procedures which shall be followed when any lighting devices is submitted for approval. 4. The department, upon approving any lighting devices, shall issue to the applicant a certificate of approval together with any instructions determined by it. 4. The department shall publish a list of all lighting devices by name and type which have been approved by it. The Department of Public Safety has set up a guideline as to which it tests new lights. And they determine whether the product, light, case, whatever the product may be, and they determine whether the lights pass their standards and can be approved or disapproved from that point forward. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.